Land verification is one of the most important things in land transaction. If you skip to verify land before you buy any landed property, you've ended up losing your land and also become a victim of land scam. Here are top 3 ways to verify land in Nigeria. The first is to verify the owner. When you are trying to buy any landed property, verify the owner of that land. You need to know who actually owns that land before you buy into any land in Nigeria, especially when you are trying to buy land right here in the city of Enugu. You need to verify if that person that is selling that land to you have the right to sell that land, because it is important when you are trying to buy a land. You should know the actual owner. If you are trying to buy land and the people that are marketing that land to you do not want to provide the actual person selling that land to you, please run away and do not invest in such kind of land. Second is verifying the land title. Now you need to ask of the land title document. This is the documentation part. You need to ask, what type of document does this land I want to buy comes with? Is it a deed of assignment? Is it a C of O land? Does this land have a survey plan? Now when they provide this necessary document to you, take those documents to the land registry and conduct your search. If the land comes with a C of O, now take the C of O search number and go to the land registry and conduct your search. Check if that C of O is actually registered, because some land might come with the C of O, but that C of O is not registered and it's not well recognized in the land registry. It is advisable to always go to the land registry and conduct those land verifications. Second is the survey plan. Now if that land comes with a survey plan and have a survey plan, take that survey plan number and go to the surveyor general office and verify the land if that survey plan is actually verified, so that you are not going to buy a land that fall under government interest, under government acquisition, or you buy a land that belongs to someone else, or you buy a land that is not in the right location where they are trying to tell you that land actually belongs to. So it is important to verify this documentation when trying to buy property. And thirdly is go for a physical inspection. Now most at times, because of distance, Nigerians that are based in diaspora do not have the time to fly back home to conduct due diligence. Now in this case, it is advisable to have a representative, someone that is going to come on behalf of you to verify that land. And the reason why that person is verifying that land physically is because of you want to know if that land is in the right location where they tell you that that land is. Secondly, if that land suits what you want to use. If you are trying to buy a land where you can buy and build, and the location where they are taking you for inspection it is in the outskirts of the town, a location that is still developing, now you will find it difficult to build in that location, especially those people that want to buy land and build for the sake of rental purpose. Nobody wants to live in a location that is very far from the town, in an undeveloped area. That is why it is important to always see the land they want to sell to you before you pay into any land. These are the top 3 land verification I would like to share. So if you are looking for to own a property right here in the city of Enugu, you are looking for verified property good right here in the city of Enugu that is affordable, have good title documents, either you want to buy a land for build and move with your family, or you want a land where you can buy, build for rental purpose, or you want a land for the sake of investment, I can help you out. All you have to do is to call or WhatsApp me on the number that display on your screen. I am Freddy Chinos, your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to make sure you will safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu. Call or WhatsApp me on the number you see display on your screen. Let's discuss your budget.